हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं साजिद खान, फिल्म हे बेबी का डायरेक्टर। इस फिल्म की स्टोरी को भी मैंने ही लिखा है और इस फिल्म में जितने जितने मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस हुए हैं वो मैं आपको अगले 1 घंटे के लिए बताऊंगा। पूरी स्टारकास्ट से मिलाऊंगा, फिल्म की मेकिंग भी बताऊंगा। तो वेलकम टू द मेकिंग ऑफ हे बेबी। Our first day of shooting. It is now precisely 9:15 in the morning. The call time for all three actors, that's Fardeen, Akshay Kumar, Ritesh, was 9 o'clock. So all of them are 15 minutes late. And I'm sending all three of them text messages that you're 15 minutes late. Not because of anything else, but it's also the first day, so just to add the tinge of professionalism towards all three of them. I don't mind even if they come at 9:30 or 10 because I love them, and quite honestly, we're not going to start shooting before 11:30. The first day, so just trying to making them stand up on the bench.
So weird. पहले हमारे पास इतनी सारी लड़कियां हुआ हमारी बेटी ओ देशिका come on baby hey baby come on my baby.
सबसे पहले मैं बात करना चाहूँगा उस आदमी की जिसके वजह से ये फिल्म बनी है। अगर ये आदमी नहीं होते तो ये फिल्म इतने बड़े पैमाने पर नहीं बनती। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड हु इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक फैमिली टू मी। ही इज माई ब्रदर and he has gone out and made this film from what could have been a 15 to 20 crore rupees film into a huge 40 crore rupees film because that's how he likes spending his money. Sajid Nadiadwala. साजिद नडियाडवाला एक ऐसे डायनामिक प्रोड्यूसर हैं जिनको जब अगर मैं 2 रुपए मांगता था तो मुझे 10 रुपए मिलता। अगर मैं एम्बुलेंस मांगता था तो हेलीकॉप्टर मिलता था। आई लाइक फिल्म्स व्हिच वर बिग, लार्जर देन लाइफ. इट्स एन एडिक्शन टू मेक बिग फिल्म्स एंड आई थैंक ऑल माय एक्टर्स टू मेक दिस वेरी heavy budget film in a record time of 4 months, and it was a wonderful team headed by Sajid Khan. Sajid Khan is like a family to me, and he has vast knowledge about cinema.
Well, he's a funny guy. He's passionate about his work.
I think Sajid is a very confident director, and I have known him for years now.
When he came with the script hey baby, I was very sure, very confident that he is going to make a very funny movie.
अक्षय is not just the most professional, but genuinely एक director's delight है। जो मैं उनको कहता था वो exactly वैसा करते थे। उन्होंने मुझे कभी ऐसा एहसास होने नहीं दिया कि मैं एक first time director हूँ जिसने कभी कोई फिल्म पहले डायरेक्ट नहीं की है।
अक्षय एक बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग एक्टर है। उनके साथ वो इतने सालों से काम करे, इज वर्किंग सिंस सो मेनी इयर्स नाउ, एंड you work with him every day and you feel as if it's his first day. He wants to put in 100%. He wants to give in everything that he has.
He's too much fun. I've just, completely enjoyed working with him.
He's a producer's delight. He's there on time and very professional. सच बात यह है कि Fardeen was the first person who had narrated the story of Hey Baby 2. Now Fardeen and I are friends for many years. We are buddies.
He's a very natural actor. Whatever I saw in Hey Baby, he's performed very well.
He's very comfortable to work with also. In this film, there were some scenes where I've seen him perform and, you know, just cracked up.
He's a great guy, an extremely intelligent actor, and fun to work with.
रितेश इज सुपर्ब। रितेश और मेरा एक चलते रहता है कि मैं जब भी उसको कुछ बोलता हूँ करने को, वो पहले ना बोल देता है। वो बोलता है नहीं मैं कर लूंगा, अपने स्टाइल से करूंगा। कैमरा के सामने जाके he does exactly what I tell him to do, what I had told him, which he had refused earlier. Ritesh, I feel he's a very underrated actor at present, and just mark my word, in about 3 years' time, he'll be a different personality altogether.
He's a great deal of fun, and I think his comic timing is unbelievable.
Manish Malhotra, myself, we sat and we discussed her entire look. हम उनका इमेज पूरी तरह से ब्रेक करना चाहते थे. We've given a very glam look and she's carried it off very well.
She's one actress, I would say, who allows, if the scene belongs to somebody else, she will allow the scene to go there. She will not try to overpower that scene.
One of the most talented actors in recent time that I have seen on screen. And she's already reached where she is because of her talent, and she's just going to go further. Actually, the hero of the film is the baby, you know, because the film revolves around her, and what an angelic face. She's just beautiful. It was difficult working around a baby because we had our own problems, but when she just smiled, we were all there with her, and her smile relieved all our tension, and it was fun working. You'll see how much fun we all had working with the baby.
बेबी के साथ काम करने में हमें बहुत तकलीफ आई, क्योंकि none of us were ready. हमको नहीं मालूम था, हमारी लाइटिंग जब रेडी हो जाती थी, एक्टर्स रेडी हो जाते थे, अक्षय रेडी है, फरदीन रेडी है, रितेश रेडी है, लाइटिंग रेडी है, स्क्रिप्ट पूरा, लाइंस पूरे लर्न कर लिए, बेबी सो गई.
We were all ready and the baby decided to sleep, so we had to wait for like 2 hours for the baby to get up, come to the set, and then if baby was not in the mood of shooting, then we had to play with her for half an hour.
अब बेबी उठी है तो बेबी रोना शुरू करेगी, तो चलो बेबी रो रही है, बेबी रोने का सीन शूट करते हैं. तो ऐसे हमें बहुत तकलीफें आई, लेकिन बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड, ऊपर वाला बहुत बड़ा बादशाह है, फिल्म फाइनली हमारी कंप्लीट हो गई एंड इट वर्क्स.
That was a good experience. I mean, it definitely teaches you a lot in terms of, you've got to be so sharp and so aware, because I mean, the baby's not going to do anything on cue. She's going to do exactly what she wants because she's 8 months old and doesn't know what the hell she's doing. So you have to just basically be there and improvise with her, and you know, be prepared for her to hit your face during a dialogue or start crying or do something, and you just got to be really sharp.
Actually, my director Sajid Khan was very patient, and the best thing about him is he loves kids, and that is why the film was, you know, very easy to make. Otherwise, a baby film, I remember the last film I made with a baby, it took me about 10 days to shoot a single scene. So the baby is there from reel number 1 to reel number 16. So hats off to the team.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.